Good day. Here we're at InfoComm 2019 in Orlando. I'm Ken Wayman with Lowell Manufacturing. Here today to talk about our new in-wall boxes. The mounts between standard 16 studs. These are our removable mounting panels. They can be moved and removed and reversed to give you a space for your mounting equipment. We have anchoring tie points that you can bend out and tie on. And then when you're done with your box, we got the cover, the optional cover that comes that closes it all up. And so that's a 9-inch, 22-inch, and the 14-inch is not here. And then another box in our family is the IWBK, which we were showing the breakaway flange for adjustable applications. And then right here's our power brackets that come with the 2 and a 3. And it comes with a cover also to finish it up. And that's fit for 2019 InfoComm, day 1. And any more information, please go to the website, lowellmfg.com.